Okay, so I'm wanting to just make a video of the wind today. It is August, so we have the winds in South Africa. Look how the shavings has been turned about like a dune, a sand dune in the desert. It's amazing. And you can just see well, fortunately it's just circling within the stable, so it's not going to waste. But you can see it in the air. This one's staying square, doesn't have the same wind as, look at this, it's a genuine little whirlwind. Then this is the mare I'm working on today. Got the mag blanket on. Okay, so super short, just very interesting. August winds, look at that, wow, little whirlwind in there. Super amazing, and there's some. Okay, this is Wendy from Quinn Horsemanship Therapy. Be blessed.